This video will show how to auto-address loop units with isolators. The wizard text in EBLWin will guide the user through the auto-address procedure. Connect the units to the COM loop. All units with isolators must have default address before starting the auto-address function. Log on. Select the loop and select Auto Address. Start the wizard. Yes, we want to auto-address units with isolators. Press Continue. The auto-addressing is completed. If you don't want to add any more units, press Skip. Press Continue to run check loop. The check loop procedure will retrieve the serial numbers of the units to the control unit. The check loop procedure is completed. Press Create SSD. Press OK. Remember to configure the units, and manually set the correct presentation number for new alarm points. Save the project, and download the SSD to the control unit. Thank you for watching.